Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a Python API Listener, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a Python API Listener. API listeners play a crucial role in receiving and processing data from external sources, enabling seamless communication between different systems. We will cover the fundamental concepts, provide a step-by-step guide, and include a practical code example to illustrate the implementation. Prerequisites. Before diving into the tutorial, ensure you have the following prerequisites. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Start by importing the required libraries. In this example, we will use the Flask framework to create a simple web server for our API listener. Step 2. Set up Flask app. Create a Flask application instance and define a route to handle incoming API requests. Step 3. Run the Flask app. Add the following code to run the Flask app on a specified host and port. Save the file with an appropriate name, example API_listener.py. Step 4. Test the API listener. Run the Python script and open a new terminal. Use the curl command or a tool like Postman to send a post request to your API listener endpoint. Ensure that the listener responds with a JSON indicating the success status. Conclusion. You have successfully created a Python API listener using Flask. This simple example can be expanded to handle more complex scenarios based on your specific requirements. Understanding this foundation will empower you to integrate API listeners into your projects, facilitating seamless data exchange between different components. ChatGPT.